x to the power of 150 plus x to the power of 100. Want to find x what? Let's pay attention to the powers. 150 and 100. Both of them are multiple of what? Multiple of 50. You can say the first one is to the power of 50 times 3 plus x to the power of 50 times 2. Quote. Next thing, we know a to the power of m power of n called a to the power of mn. We can say here, restore x to the power of 50. Now the next one, x to the power of 50 times 2. We use this one, will be x to the power of 50 squared. Quote. Now, next step, we consider x to the power of 50, for example, equal to y. Here we can conclude what? We conclude y cubed plus y squared equal. Trying to find one answer, also you could find one answer here, one obvious answer we have. At x equal to 1 and here y equal to 1. So let's consider first answer x equal to 1. Let me write it here. X equal to 1 and we want to see can we find any other answer. So y equal to 1 here also works. Now if we want to factorize, we take all things to the left hand side, y cubed plus y squared minus 2 equal to 0. Y equal to 1 works. Factorize. 1 factor is y minus 1. Okay, so if we want to create these, it will be y squared. We can create y cubed minus y squared. But here we need plus y squared, so we add plus 2y. And we have what? We have plus 2y squared minus 2y. Here we don't have y, so we should add y. It will be plus 2, which will be plus 2y minus 2, and it will be okay. Okay. 0. Now let's erase this part. With the things we've reached here, we have two parts. The first one is 0, which y equal to 1, and y equal to x to the 50. One answer was this. First case, we will check. Second case, this part. First case, y minus 1 is 0. Y is what? Y is x50 minus 1 is x50 equal to 1. So if we want to write it in complex numbers, we should consider a circle. Let me draw it with another color. Let me draw it here. And if we want to find all the answers here, is power of is 1. One answer is 1, and after 1, the angles are 2 pi over. Okay? And if we want to write it, it's equal with the power of pi k over 50. K is from 0 is in 0 to 49. Okay, so we found 50 answers here. In complex numbers, the rule is let's draw a rectangle around this. We found 50 answers here. Now the next one. Let's consider this part is 0. Y squared plus 2y plus 2 equals. Consider this second case. Y squared 2y plus 2 equals. So we can conclude here. If we use quadratic formula, we know that ax squared plus bx plus c equals is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. If we use this formula here, y equals negative 2 plus minus 2 squared minus 4 times 8 times 8 all over what? Well, it will be negative 2 plus minus or 4 minus 8 all over. So divided will be negative 1 plus minus negative 4, 84 over 4, we lose negative 1. So y equals negative 1 plus minus root 5. Now is what y equal to x to the power of 50. So here, when, let me tell you something, x to the power of n equals, or you can say, okay, x over n root of, or power of n is 1. And you can find the answers are what? Say, okay, this one, if you consider y, it starts from 1. The next one is this one, which is 2 pi over n, and so on. Okay? And it will be 2 pi k over n, which k, the angle, k from 0 to n minus 1. And the answer will be e to the power of pi 2 pi k over. So if we use this formula, it will be x to the power of 50 equal to this. So at first we should find root I is what, and write this as plus ci, and try to find x to the power of 50 what. For this part, you can say root I, for example, equal a plus b raised to the power of 2 I equal a squared plus 2abi. If we consider real parts of both sides and imaginary parts of both sides, a equal to b equal to 1 over root 2 or negative 1 over. So you can use this and you can find that x to the power of 50 equal to these two parts plus minus, let's solve it. 1 plus minus 1 over root 2 times 1 plus I. Okay, it will be negative 1 plus minus 1 over root 2 real part. And when it is plus for both of them, plus minus 3 over, okay, real part imaginary. To the power of 50. By this rule, you can find all 50 answers for each of them, so you can find 100 answers also for this. Found 50 answers for this part. You can find also 100 answers for this. Okay, you can do this part as homework. Told you the method is but here. You should find one answer, and after that answer, for example, you consider plus 2 pi over n. Here, you find one answer for each case, then you consider plus 2 pi and the angle for the angle. Okay, to let's solve this, you can send a message to my WhatsApp number. Um, for any part, for any hint, or following other question, you can again message. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.